To multiply two polynomials together, we will use the distributive property by treating one of those polynomials as though it were a monomial. And I've highlighted this trinomial, and I'm going to distribute that multiplication over the polynomial, in this case the binomial that it's being multiplied by, which results in, using the distributive property, the trinomial x squared minus 3x plus 5 times the first term plus the trinomial x squared minus 3x plus 5 times the second term. Using distributive a second time, we will distribute the multiplication of x times each one of these terms. X squared times x results in an x to the third. X times negative 3x is negative 3. X times x, x squared. Positive 5 times x is 5x. Plus, distributive again on the second half of this problem. 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times minus 3x is negative 12x. 5 times 4 is 20. Simplifying by combining like terms, we have an x to the third. We have two x squared terms. Negative 3 plus 4 leaves 1x squared. Terms with just x to the first power, positive 5 minus 12, combine to give us a negative 7x, and our constant term of plus 20. Another possible way of multiplying two polynomials together, besides the distributive approach just shown, is to think of this as you would multiply whole numbers in columns and then adding the results together. So here I have the same trinomial multiplied by the binomial that we just saw, and doing the multiplication here with the columns, I'm going to take 4 times each one of these terms. In the first, 4 times 5 results in a positive 20. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12x, and 4 times the last term results in 4x squared. 4 has been multiplied by each one of those terms. Now we'll shift to the next term in this polynomial, x, and do the same. X times 5 is 5x, and for ease of combining our like terms, I'll put that term under the similar term that was generated from the first multiplication. So again, x times 5 is 5x, positive, placing it under the like term. Continuing on, negative 3x times x is a negative 3x squared, placing it underneath the similar term. And one more multiplication, x times x squared is x to the third power when we add our exponents. We're done with our multiplication. We're now ready to add like terms together. There is no x to the third. 4 plus negative 3 is 1x squared. Negative 12 plus 5 is a negative 7x, and the constant term of 20 is not changed. If you notice, we have the same answer as before, but a different approach.